Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I, Abdul Salam, on behalf of my group members, presenting you my views on the topic meta reinforcement learning of machine parameters for energy efficient process and flexible turning operations. The topic itself is a bit lengthy and confusing, so first of all, I'm gonna brief the few important terms used in our presentation. At first, we have meta learning. Meta learning. Meta learning is a subfield of machine learning where automatic learning algorithms are applied to metadata about machine learning experiments so that machine can identify the flaws and shortcomings in its working itself. Now secondly, we have reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is the training of machine learning models to make a sequence of decisions, which means that for a machine to perform various operations sequentially and learn itself, we call it meta reinforcement learning. And last but not the least, flexible turning operations. It is the application of such turning operations on the material so as to attain the maximum flexibility, which means that flexible manufacturing is found with the flexibility that allows the system to react in case of changes. And now, a brief introduction of our work. The main contribution of our work is the design of computationally efficient and effective learning algorithms for parametric optimization. And we get to save a lot of energy by applying parametric optimization and flexible manufacturing. And our main focus is on the particular class of learning algorithms known as reinforcement learning. As it is discussed earlier, no need to discuss again. In addition to reinforcement learning, meta learning is integrated with reinforcement learning to guide parametric optimization for multiple machining configurations. And now the importance of the topic we selected. Why we selected this topic? In order to measure the importance, let us question ourselves what is the main reason of putting machines to work. That is high profits and ease of work. And these both topics are laid emphasis upon in our work, in our report. As we all know that attaining energy efficient and flexible manufacturing is considered a vital strategy for companies so as to maximize their profits and reduce operational costs. And as this is a new idea, a lot of emerging companies can benefit from our work and implement the meta reinforcement learning to their machines and make profits. Also, our project puts light on the idea of multiple machining tasks with single input, which will ultimately save a lot of workers and ultimately a huge benefits and profits for the companies. Our work makes contribution in the following two areas. The first, energy aware parametric optimization problem for turning operation is formulated as Markov decision process. And this Markov decision process is discussed in detail in our report and you can check it out. The effectiveness of the optimization is significantly improved. And secondly, the integration of meta learning and reinforcement learning offers a learning based optimizer that is self adaptive to various machining configurations. And this optimization knowledge makes it easy to attain a flexible manufacturing. And that's all. And now I would like to pass the mic to Zainul Abdin Imran for enlightening us on the problem statement and few other topics.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zain and I would like to continue from where my friend Abdul Salam left off. So, the topic we are going to discuss is about problem statement and so we carry on. The first point we have is flexible CNC turning operations. To know more about flexible turning operations, we are going to first define what is CNC turning operation and what is flexibility. So first on, what is CNC turning operations? CNC turning is a manufacturing process that involves holding bars of material in a chuck and rotating them while feeding a tool to the piece to remove material until the desired shape is achieved. And flexibility is generally considered the ability to use various machines and cutting tools to manufacture a product. and these are the characteristics on which the flexibility operation maneuvers. So the next topic about the problem statement is challenges and solutions for parametric optimization of flexible CNC machining. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the challenges we are facing, and next on we are going to discuss about the solutions. So first of all, the challenges. Number one, formalizing in a particular representation of the energy consumption of an CNC machining process. And number two is defining and solving the problem in the form given below, that fx, st, gj, where x is the set of their deviation parameters, and f is the objective vector, and j is the total number of constraints. And for the solution, we have a new knowledge known as meta learning, and we are going to discuss about it in the next topic. But first off, aside from these two problems we are facing, there is another common problem we are going to face, which is using multiple pass CNC turning as an example. Most of the existing works only use the initially known information, which is cutting allowance. This is the third problem we face to drive their optimal solutions. In fact, the workpiece diameter decreases with the cut in each pass. So does the cutting allowance, impacting their optimization performance. So these are the three problems we are facing. And for their solution, we are going to implement the meta learning process and the reinforcement learning. Okay, so here we are going to talk about parametric optimization model. So we know that our goal is to achieve the highly optimized and energy efficient turning operation, and for that we have to write its parameters and maximize its efficiency and minimize the loss of its energy. So to that end, three objective functions are considered in our optimization, namely specific energy consumption of CNC turning, processing time of CNC turning, and production cost of CNC turning. So first of all, let's go to specific energy consumption of CNC turning. So SEC is an energy indicator commonly used in the literature to evaluate energy efficiency as a relation between energy and material removal volume, which is MRV. And here we got ELE equals to electrical energy, while the other EET equals to embodied energy. So let's move on to the next one, processing time. So the processing time of CNC turning is overall time to remove the total stock as expressed in the equation, where TST equals to standby time, and TARC equals to air cutting time, and T cut equals to cutting time, while TCT equals to tool change time. And the third option we got is production cost of CNC turning, and it defines the overall production cost that we have to put in. The C over here stands for overhead cost, while CELEC stands for electric cost, and C tool equals to tool cost.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Usama and I am here to conclude our presentation. As we know that this paper presents a novel meta reinforcement learning, that is MRL. This is based on optimization method to improve the generalization by training optimizer with multiple machining tasks. To the best of our knowledge, this is the first MRL based method of adaptive parameter decision for energy efficient flexible machine. It should be highly emphasized that technologists benefit from the reduced decision making time and the improved energy saving opportunity. So now energy efficiency. We know that today a lot of machining methods are old and consumes a lot of energy and gives less efficiency. So energy efficient machining is very important for energy conservation, emission reduction and cost saving of manufacturing sector. And now I end my presentation with some lines. Is this in the end, flexible manufacturing is achieved by meta learning reinforcement of machine parameters. Thank you.